Hello, children. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss 7th class General Science, 8th lesson, Wonders of Light, question and answers. In the part of this, first of all, we are going to fill in the blanks. Image formed by convex mirror is erect, small, and virtual, not real image. Infinity number of images are formed between two mirrors if they are kept an angle of 0 degrees. 0 degrees or 0 degrees. Dentists use dash mirror to see inner parts of mouth. Concave or convex? Concave mirrors. Okay. Concave mirrors. Dentists always use concave mirrors to see inner part of mouth. Image that cannot be obtained on screen is virtual image. Virtual image. Choose the correct answer. In periscope, the angle between two plane mirrors is 0 degrees, B 30 degrees, C 45 degrees, D 60 degrees. The answer is A 0 degrees. That's why you wrote A here. If two plane mirrors are kept at an angle of 180 degrees between them, then the number of images formed will be A1, B2, C3, D4. The answer is A because of 180 degrees between the mirrors formed only one image. Which of the following is not the property of image formed by a plane mirror? A. Same size. B. Real. C. Lateral inversion. D. Erect. The answer is B. Real image. If a light ray fall on plane mirror along the direction of normal, then the angle of reflection will be A 90 degrees, B 45 degrees, C 0 degrees, D 180 degrees. It is in direction of normal, that's why the answer is C 0 degrees. Which form clear image among the following? Paper, cloth, C cardboard, D plane mirror. So answer is D plane mirror. Now match the following. A. Reflections from ice pieces. B. Reflections from still water. C. Reflectors in headlights. D. Rear view mirrors. E. Light which causes damage to retina. In this side, 1 regular reflection, 2 irregular reflection, 3 blue light, 4 concave mirror, 5 yellow light, 6 convex mirror. Reflection from ice pieces are irregular reflection. That's why we wrote 2 here. Reflection from still water, regular reflection. Reflection in headlights are concave mirror. In headlights, we use concave mirrors. That's why here you wrote concave mirror. Real view mirrors. Concave or convex? Convex. So 6. Light which causes damage to retina. Here blue light and yellow light. Which one is correct? Blue light. Now answer the following questions. First question. What is a reflection of light? Explain with an example. The process of bouncing back of light rays in the same medium after hitting the surface of an object is called reflection of light. Example, take a plane mirror and stand in front of a building in open space during the day. Let the sunlight fall on the mirror. Then rotate the mirror in such a way that a spot of light falls on the wall of building. The spot of light is formed due to the light reflected from the mirror. Second question, write the laws of reflection of light. There are two laws of reflection. First law, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Second law, the incident ray, reflected ray and normal to the surface are present in the same plane. Incident and reflected rays are on either side of the normal. These two are the reflection laws of light. Why should we keep the mirror strips in the periscope parallel to each other? What happens if they are not parallel? The mirror strips in the periscope must be kept parallel to each other. Then light that falls on first mirror is reflected onto the second mirror. The image can be seen on second mirror. If they are not parallel, light is not reflected and the image does not form. Fourth question, what precautions do you take while getting the image of burning candle using a mirror? Make sure that the screen is not placed between burning candle and mirror. Second one, try to get clear image on screen at each position. Take care that the flame is above the axis of the mirror. Paper is below the axis. Candle flame should be on one side of the axis of the mirror. Screen should be on the other side of the axis of the mirror. Fifth question, write the properties of images formed by a concave mirror. A concave mirror can form real and virtual images, erect and inverted images, smaller, same size, and bigger images depending on the position of object in front of it. Sixth question, draw the diagrams showing regular reflection and diffuse reflection of light. See here, it is a regular reflection, parallel incident rays, parallel reflected rays. This one is. This second one is diffused reflection, parallel incident rays, diffused shows diffused reflect rays. Seventh question, where do you find multiple images formed by plane mirrors in your day-to-day life? Day-to-day life. In sweet shop, mirrors are arranged in such a way that multiple images of the sweets are made visible to the customers. In ice cream parallel and cool drink shops also, plain mirrors are arranged in parallel on the walls of the room. These mirrors give multiple images of the customers, making them feel that the shop is full of customers. In barber shop, mirrors are arranged in such a way that the customer can view his image in all directions. Eighth question, where do you find irregular reflections in your daily life? Irregular reflections are diffused reflection take place when the light rays are incident on a surface like a wall, a piece of leather, the wood, a piece of wool, a leaf of tree, which are not smooth or polished. So the different positions of the surface reflect the incident light rays in different directions. Write the applications of spherical mirrors in daily life. Spherical mirrors are of two types. One is convex mirrors, second one is concave mirrors. Uses of concave mirrors. Concave mirrors are used by ENT doctors as head mirrors. Dentists are use concave mirrors to get a bigger image of the teeth. These mirrors are widely used in headlights of automobiles and motor vehicles, torchlights, railway engines, etc. As reflectors, the light source is placed at the focus of the mirror. So, after reflection, the light rays travel over a large distance as parallel beam of light rays with high intensity. Large concave mirrors are used to focus sunlight to produce heat in the solar furnace. Uses of convex mirrors. Convex mirrors are used as rear view mirrors. Those mirrors form images of objects spread over a large area. So, these help the drivers to see the traffic behind them. Large convex mirrors are kept at the corners of curved roads to avoid accidents. These mirrors form images of vehicles on both sides of curved roads. These mirrors are also used at the junctions of roads. Convex mirrors are used in automated teller machine ATM for security purpose to get a wide background look. This is to avoid others from overlooking at your password. And convex mirrors are also used in making of magnifying glasses. Two convex mirrors are placed back to back to create the effect of magnification. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. In next class, we are discussing the heat, temperature, and climate question and answers. Take care. Bye bye.